Yo. I know the title of this video is General Cleanup, and that sounds exceedingly boring. It probably will be a little bit. I was trying to think of what I could work on, and there are a number of things, of course, some optimizations and stuff like that. But I want to avoid jumping into optimizations at this stage. I feel like it's a little too early. There's a lot of design and stuff that still needs to happen, and that is happening, but it is still going to be a while. So what I'm going to do today is, especially since I only have an hour, is I'm going to just do some general cleanup stuff, and we'll see where that takes us. So, for one, actually, this is more than just general cleanup, because we need to handle image upload for ship ID edit, as well as ship new needs to handle image upload. So maybe that's where we'll start, and then we'll go around and clean some stuff up. So starting with new, that will probably be a little easier. Sorry, I just was thinking about something. What if we don't have a new? No, never mind. We could have a new, and then have this just re-export what's in here. And then here, if there is no ship ID, then instead of ship not found, we just return there's no ship ID. I do this in the jokes app, actually, so that we can just reuse the same stuff. But yeah, we'll worry about that later when we're cleaning things up. So yeah, let's make our schema. So ship form is a Zod object, and yep, we've got the name, the description is a Zod string with a min of 20 and a max of 10,000. Maybe, and a capacity, yep, a daily charge, I think, sure, I don't know, you want to do a crazy expensive thing? Be my guest. It does have to cost at least something though. Model ID, starting to think it wouldn't be a bad idea to make schema validators for all of my objects that I have in Prisma. I don't know. Yeah, like what if I do form? Can I do name ship form name? Or z dot, pick. Yeah, could I pick name? That's gonna be name as an object that has a name property. Yeah. Just thinking about like composability of these things. All right, anyway, yeah, so we've got a model ID, star port, and I think my model and I think these are QIDs. Yeah. Do I need to have that level? Probably, yeah, I guess so. Okay, cool. So from that, we say pre-process form data with our schema ship form. And actually result ship form parse. And then we say if not result dot success. Oh. Oh, safe parse. And then we return that status error errors there. Otherwise, we can get that from result.data. Okay, and actually there's another one we need, and we get this from our setting profile thing. We can do the same thing. And this is our image file. I shouldn't call this a profile file. This should be called the something else. Oh well, maybe I'll change that one day. It makes more sense to be like the avatar or image file. Probably makes lots of sense. Okay. And we're going to do something similar here. So yeah, we're going to want the field metadatas in our loader. Is it? I don't know which of those I hate the least. Okay, so we got our fields, form, get form, yep, and that's going to be name, ship form, and errors will be action data, status, error, action data, errors, form errors. All right. Cool. So then we can say form props, and then down here, form error UI. And then let's just format this a tiny bit. We're going to borrow these class names. let's move that there. Divify that. And move that there. Make a div out of that. Okay, cool. So then we can say what is that called? Field class name. And then for all the labels, label class name, right? No? Yeah, label class name. And for the inputs, well, lots of these have a class name already, so input class name. Yeah, whoop. Okay. Great. And then we can say fields dot name dot label props. And error UI. Description, label props. Props, and this actually should be a text area. Interesting thing about this is you can't select a brand or model that is invalid. You're not allowed, or at least validation is handled within these. So I don't think we need to do anything about those. This is a hidden input, so I don't want you to input an ID. So yeah, we're gonna just go with that. Okay, fields, capacity, label props. It's interesting. Yeah, it doesn't know for sure that those values aren't there because the types are not good enough yet, but those are defined, so we don't need to worry about those. And I forgot. Okay. Cool. So then, oh, we gotta run the thing. You're not a host. Host. Become a host. I am a host now. I am a great host. Okay, great. Ships new. Alright. The big one. This is a big ship. Here, let's make sure everything's wired up correctly. Beautiful. Man, that's sick. ID does not match. Whatever. Yeah, that's too bad. Let's just make sure we've got our min and max. Yeah, I didn't put anything on there. So let's say min is 2. Max is 60. The best ship ever. Yeah, min length and max length. Oh, that's so great. This is the best ship ever, yo. Alright, and that's the brand. Based on that brand, we have certain models. So if what if I don't have a model selected? What happens? I get all of the models. Yeah, if you don't select a brand, you get all the models. Kind of think that a better UX would be, man, that's wild. We have all those images coming from our own server. Gonna have to think about that a little bit. I'm not sure I want it coming from the same server. I think it's okay. I think it's good. A lot of things are simpler because of that. Most people could probably simplify their lives doing things that way. Anyway, what I was thinking was a better UX would be to not show the model until you select a brand. And maybe make this have a required I don't know. There was something else. Oh yeah, I just thought, wouldn't it be nice? There we go. Give it a little bit of margin there. Okay, anyway, create new ship. Great ship. This is a great ship. That's our brand, that's our model. Whoa, you shouldn't be able to do that. Yeah, it has a max. Huh. Oh, interesting. If I use the arrows, then it'll limit me, but if I just type it, it's like, yeah, whatever. All right. And here's my starport. Hit save, and we get that. So we say no validate. Great ship. Wahoo. That one. That one. And that's my starport. Okay. Did not get the expected result. Save. We do get a bad request. We do get errors. Did I not render those? No, I definitely rendered those. I messed up something. Action data. I've got him. It's null. Ah, that's undefined. The status is, yeah, that was my bad. That should have been caught. It's not a string. Oh, it's because my action right here, no, I'm throwing a response, so that should be fine. The return response, return redirect, maybe? Is that gonna give me something? No. If I add an as const, are you gonna do that? Yep, there we go. And now we get that. Okay, well, that's fine. I don't care. The as const doesn't bother me that much. It's just kind of annoying. Okay, save, boom, we got that. Okay, so I think it makes sense to put the fields model error UI right there, and probably fields model starport error UI. And you know what? Let's stick it down here. Put that under there. And then this, we can probably still do fields starport ID props. We just put type hidden under there. And same for this thing. There we go. So now, invalid queued. It's very helpful. So what we do here then, we say must select a model. Or actually, let's just do model is required. Yippers, skippers. Okay. Okay, great. Let's do the image upload now. So, there's probably an abstraction sitting around here somewhere. Max size. Still 5 megs. This will be image file. Whoops, yeah. There it is. Okay, cool. And I think that'll just work. So then from there, oh yeah, we need to send the confirmation email. That's another thing we should do. Yeah, let's just see image. Oh yeah, we need to do all the if the image is provided and all that. Yeah, lots of copy paste that just says you're probably going to need to abstract this at some point. We'll get there. As image file. Previous image. Can you hear the little kids outside my door playing? I don't think you can. That's maybe a little bit. Oops. Okay. And then the last thing is this. Boom, that's it. Oh man. Oh, right, because we're in create mode here. That's right, we're not updating. It's not liking this. Okay, let's at least fix this and see what they do about that. So this will be create. Yeah, this is so weird. They're, I think in my seed script or in my test. Oh, it worked in my test. Oh no, I'm not doing an image in my test. Huh. Seed. Oh, I create it as part of the host. And yeah, here I had to insert the image first, which I do not understand, but it is what it is. Yeah, see, that sort of works. I want to make a transaction, but I need previous values. I need it to run in series. I don't know. Because I don't want to insert the image unless creating the ship is successful. Oh well. Yeah, that's really annoying. Okay, image, new image. Prisma image, create data, content type, file, that type, file, create, blob, buffer from yada yada. Come on, Copilot, you know this. It's right there. I just don't want to move my cursor. Thank you. If this fails, then I should delete the image. Yeah, I'll just fire and forget. I don't care. Oh, right. Here we go. Okie doke. Yeah, and then this. There we go. Yeah. Okay. We don't need to await this. Don't care about that. Fire and forget. Okay. Well, I think that should do it. And then we just need the file. So something like this. Except this is the new So we're not going to have that. Okay, great. And that should be required. It's not showing as required. It should be, though. On this page, it's required. Yeah. And boom, it's required. Ah, that's so great. Okay, so here's my ship. And sweet files. This is a ship of files. Oh, right. The encoding type was wrong. There we go. Here we go. Lots of files. Okay, and let's prepare ourselves a little better. Save. Boom. Totally just created a ship with an image. So that's neat. Brand Cody. Huh. That's funny. Host. That's weird. Model should definitely appear on the page. Oh, we have the image. That makes sense. And that's the model. Cool. Book. Confirm. I booked my own ship. I have 2 bookings now. Look at me. Sweet. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Now, edit. Okay. Man, I just feel like I need to take a nap. I'm so tired. It's been a rough month. I'll just take a break and tell you what this month has been. First, I got if you don't care, don't tell me you don't care. Some people are going to tell me they don't care. I don't care that you don't care. This is my stream. I'm going to do what I want. So, content warning, I'm going to show you a scar. I got my plate removed recently. And like at the beginning of December, that was from the car accident that I had almost a year ago. And it was recovering from that just fine. And then I got torticollis, which is normally happens when you sleep in a funny position, or pretty much you just get stiff. And then when that happens, it gets painful to move or stretch at all. And so then you don't move, and so it just gets worse, and it continues to get worse until it's like crazy painful. That's what happened to me. And so I probably slept on it funny because of the recovery for my collarbone. And so, yeah, I got torticollis. That was like crazy painful. I could move it this far. You can't even see me moving, basically, before it started hurting. It was just so, so painful. And so, yeah, I spent a weekend like that, and then went to a doctor on New Year's Day. And they gave me some medicine, which I did take, and made me stomach sick for not too long, like a day. But I wasn't feeling great. And so I stopped taking the medicine, and now I'm feeling much better. Still a little sore, but like mostly better. And then I lost my voice. And if you watched the stream at all last week, you'll know I lost my voice. That was a pain. And that's slowly coming back. Like I still don't have all my voice back. But now, I am mostly feeling better. I'm just really, really tired. And I should probably sleep better and start exercising again. I stopped exercising when I had the surgery to remove the plate. So I should probably start exercising again and sleep more. And then I will not feel so tired, but I feel a little tired. I'm going to take a break, probably going to lie down. And then when I come back, we will work on the ship edit page and maybe see some abstraction we can pull somehow, somewhere. So yeah, we'll see you in 5 minutes. Again, if you don't care about my personal feeling up and physical feelings and stuff, I don't care that you don't care. You're welcome to move on and not watch my stream. This is my stream. I do what I want. Okay. You're great. We'll see ya. Another thing that I think might be causing me some trouble is this light. It's so bright. It's really, really annoying. But if I don't have it this bright, then my video doesn't look that good. Yeah, it still looks fine. It's fine. I'm gonna keep it low. If I turn it off, it doesn't look good at all, but yeah. Yeah, this is annoying. Come on, React. You told me that if I use useID, it will be the same on the client, and I won't get this annoying message. What gives? Whatever. Okay. Great. So what did I say we're gonna do? Yeah, the ship ID. And I need to leave in 15 minutes. So let's see here. So we need to show map here. Yeah, don't need that. We're not doing any map. Yeah, we need to have basically the same schema for both of these, except we are optional version of these properties. Yeah, so much of this is going to be the same. And this is why I really need to get these designs in, because at this point I would probably avoid duplication if I had the designs, but I don't. So we're going to duplicate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, lots of this is going to be very, 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 very much the same. In fact, almost all of this is going to be the same. Difference will be these are optional. Almost all of these are optional. They're all optional. Yeah, this should probably say invalid. Yeah. Yeah, that's interesting actually. You know what? So what's happening is it's sending an empty string, but we want to make it so it doesn't send it at all, so that it can be like, hey, this is required. So we can distinguish between what's required and what's invalid. There we go. Now we can distinguish between those two, and now this can really say invalid, and that's fine. Okay. I guess we do need invariant here. Okay, and this is update. Where that, there we go. Oh, and whoops. Boy, that's close. I think actually I may have. Yep. I blew up my own image. I deleted my own image. I'm getting a phone call that I need to take, so I'm going to call this the end of the stream. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.